Morning guys, nandito tayo sa Harbor City Corporation, Pasay. So, pakito, ginagawa nila. Itong model nung Harbor City na gagawin. So right now, nandito kami. So ito, Manila Film, World Trade Center, Ross Boulevard, Folk Arts Theater. So it's 1.2 kilometers papunta mismo sa Harbor City, which according to our friend is a bike friendly city. So yan, yan siya, malaki to.
Yung edge nung...
So this is a 265 hectare
55 to 10.
na reclamation. So ang ganda, may mga bridges.
Mix, di ba? Residential.
So guys, nandito kami ngayon. Ito, yan ang yung reclamation ng Manila Bay. Ayun, yun doon. So magandang project to.
Then, apartment.